Hi everyone, welcome again to raigulkur.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to configure standard change catalog properties in ServiceNow. So, configuring the standard change catalog, so the standard change properties in ServiceNow is very much easy. We can customize it. For this, we need to have the administrator login credentials. So, if you don't know about how to configure standard change catalog properties, consider watching the complete video. And if you have not yet subscribed this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Change management standard change catalog services provides you to change the standard catalog properties which we will need for the organization to organization basis. For this, we have to navigate into the change, and from the change, we have to go to administration. Inside the admission sections, you will find it out the standard change properties. Click on this and it will jump into the standard change properties sections. Here, you can provide the catalog name. So whatever catalog name you want to modify it, select on this and post selecting the catalog name. You will find it out the category sections here. So let's understand what is catalog. This will select the service catalog to add the generated standard change template. There are different catalogs are available. You can search it according to your requirement. Then in the category sections, select the service catalog category to add the generated standard change template to. We can also choose this category or any child categories of the selected catalog. This value is not set automatically on the proposal form but must be specified before it is approved. You can change any type of property. There are two-step sections where we can check this box to make the request of a standard change a two-step process. The process redirects the requester from a standard change template to a change request that can be received before submitting. This option is enabled by default on instances provided on Jakarta. Customers operating from prior release must enable the two-step property. Then we do have the list of change request value that must be completed to the propose the new standard change template and modified standard change template record processor. So in the mandatory change request value, we have to specify a list of mandatory fields that requires values when we propose a new standard change template or modifications to a standard change template. This configuration ensures that when a standard change request is created from a standard change template, one or more fields on the change request from a contain preset values. Then default change request values field on the proposed new standard change template record producers will provide specified default values for common fields on the change request form. Then we have the restricted change values. This specifies the list of fields that end users are not allowed to provide any value for when making a proposal. This will include risk, active, approval history. There are a lot many fields are available here. Then restricted change value will ensure the internal columns such as updates, updated by, do, main, and created by are restricted. Read-only fields are specify the fields that end users are not allowed to provide any values for in the created standard change request. These read value are the configuration ensures that for the specified field, the value approved in the standard change template do not change when the standard change request is submitted. Fail to copy is having another important field. This specifies the fields whose values are copied to the proposed new standard change template record producer from a non-standard change request. If any field not specified in this list have default values specified, the default values are copied to the record producers. Then default change task properties specify a list of mandatory fields, enter value for ensures field when the properties a new change task template or modifying a change task template. Then default change task value again specify default values to for field to change task from when creating a change task template. Restricted only change task field help us to specify the fields that end users are not allowed to alter any value for the change task. This configuration ensures that for the specified field, the value approved in the change task template do not change when the change task is created. Then change task fail to copy, especially provide specified the fields whose values are copied to one or more change task template when proposing a new standard change template from existing change request. Once we are done, click on update and this standard change property will be updated successfully. We can change it at any point of time. You will only need administrator login credentials. We can create a standard change catalog. By default, the basic standard change proposal workflow sends approval record to members of the change management group, and the members should verify they modified the record as appropriate. Once it is done, the changes are updated successfully. This is all about how to configure standard change catalog properties in ServiceNow. Hope you understand each and everything in detail. And if you really think so, this is useful, consider sharing within your circle. Thank you for watching.